Welcome to Mastermind Success YouTube channel. Today, we bring you a heartwarming conversation between two students on their very first day of college. Let's begin.
Hi. Excuse me, is this the new students' building?
Yes, I think so. It's my first day here too.
Oh, really? Same here. I was a little nervous coming alone.
Me too. But now it feels better, meeting someone new.
By the way, my name is Rahul. What's yours?
I'm Anita. Nice to meet you, Rahul.
Do you know which room our orientation is in?
I think it's room 101. Shall we go together?
Sure. Let's go. It's always easier when you're not alone.
True. College looks so big. I don't want to get lost.
Classes are over. I'm so hungry now.
Same here. Do you want to go to the canteen?
Yes, let's try the food there.
Good idea. I hope the food is tasty.
Anita, it was nice meeting you today.
Same here, Rahul. I feel like I already made a good friend.
Me too. Let's meet tomorrow again before class.
Sure. See you tomorrow.
Bye. Take care.
And that was just the beginning of their college life. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring tales. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.